Hey, how you doing? Map here, Map Investments. I want to talk to you about a trade I did in Uber. Um, did a calendar spread in Uber. Uber's IV rank is pretty low. Right now it's a 7. Uh, so what I did was a calendar spread on the put side, looking for some expansion in the volatility. Let me pull up the table here, see when they got earnings. Uber got earnings February 4th. You can see here on the purple line here by the cursor. February 4th is earnings. And I did it in my TD trade account. And what I did was I did the 45. So I did the 45 in Jan. So let me put it up here, see if I can do it here. Actually, we can analyze it here. Let's do a little different angle because I've been showing you on the tasty work a lot. So positions, positions. I'll go to Uber. I got a lot of positions as you can see. All right, so Uber. Let's go to analyze. All right, so here's the trade in Uber. So Uber is currently trading at 50 $50.62. Here's the chart, so you can get a picture of the chart. So pretty big on the daily. RSI is 54. It's kind of sold off. A lot of sellers here. Uber don't make any profits. Supposedly they will in the future. Let me see if I can pull up the weekly. See how the weekly looks. What's going on here? Oh, weekly. Here we go. Weekly update. All right, so here's the weekly. Got a couple of red bars here. Looks like it wants to revert to the mean here. Got some sellers down here. On the weekly, the 50-day average is 35. On the daily time frame chart, the 50-day average is 44.50. So what I basically did was I did a 45. So stocks here. So what I did was I did the January 45 put. I sold it, and then I bought the 45 in February after the earnings. Expected move is about $6. So that'll put him more or less in my range here. So here is how the calendar spread looks. It's like a 10, right? And then here's the stock price right here, more or less. And my expectation is the stock falls back into this range, and max profit would be at 45. I paid a net debit here of about $1.30. 58 cents minus the $1.83. So about $1.30 more or less I paid for this. Did a couple contracts. So max profit here, if you can see here, would be about $300 more or less, 295 more or less would be max profit if the stock were to roll back, fall back into this 10 here that I have here, and 45 would be more or less the 50-day moving average. And the reason I place this trade is a couple things. Stocks run up a lot, a couple red bars, IV's low, and in the next couple months I can see it pulling back, and then the IV expanding from 7 maybe into the 20s, making these options balloon in value. So that's what I'm looking for, is an IV expansion on this Uber. So I hope you like this video. This is the Analyze tab in the Thinkorswim platform. And that's a calendar spread to the put side, downside. Looking for IV expansion and a down move back to the 50-day moving average. Hopefully, that's what I'm trying to get here out of Uber. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you.